Yo, yo, what's happening? It's your boy LeRoy Erran. I'm back. Look, man, I don't know how many of y'all are homeowners or live in apartments, but if you do something and you need a vacuum, this Dyson shot. This Dyson is the greatest invention I've ever seen in my life. This thing sucks. You hear me? Look at that ball, Charlie. Look at that ball go. Look at that ball go. Look. And I'm finna throw this here bullshit here away. Bye, broom. Look at that ball go. Look at that ball go. Look, ain't on hardwood floor too, Charlie. Look, I'm on hardwood. Charlie, I can vacuum my hardwood. Ooh, look at them sexy ass Dyson vacuum lines, boy. That's how I know I'm getting old. I'm sitting here looking at vacuum lines the same way I look at the lines out in the grass in the yard when I cut the grass. And beautiful lawn lines. Ooh. Hello, Dyson. Hello, vacuum lines. Hello, clean. So, needless to say, I love my new Dyson, man. It's been one of the best purchases I've made in 2020, 2021, and hopefully for the next 10 to 15 years. Look, man, I really spend my money and buy really expensive stuff, you know. Some of y'all got Palatones. Me, I got my Dyson. I love my Dyson. I wish I could get online and race other people vacuuming their house with my Dyson, like y'all do with Peloton. I wish I had me a vacuum cleaner class where we can all get together and just vacuum to Beyonce and Young Dro all day long till we get our house clean. And then once we get our house clean, we all sit there and clean our Dysons and listen to Anita Baker. That's just how much I like my Dyson. Love my Dyson. I'll catch y'all later.